हाँ, सर मेरा सवाल ये है ब्रजेश जी बिजनेस से। सर एक अप्रीहेंशन ये है इस डिस्कशन पेपर को पढ़ने के बाद लोगों में कि ये पॉसिबिलिटी है कि इक्विटी मार्केट के जो एफ का ये जो फ्रेंजी है ये शायद कमोडिटी में शिफ्ट हो जाएगा। कमोडिटी में गया तो फिर भी एटलीस्ट रेगुलेटेड मार्केट है, अदरवाइज डब्बा मार्केट में भी एक्टिविटीज बढ़ सकती हैं जो आपके रेगुलेशन दायरे के मतलब बाहर होगा। तो इस कंसर्न को लेकर सर आपका क्या जवाब होगा? आपने इस बारे में सोचा है या ऐसी कोई फीडबैक है आपके पास?
Some market participants have pointed this out. Look, we will look at the data. What is the current size of the commodity markets? Is there really a commonality between the participants in the equity markets to the commodity markets? If the data shows that there is a possibility, we will look at it. We will definitely look at it. The idea is not that we have preference for one asset class over the other. In the case of equity markets, the sheer size of the number of participants and the sheer size of the risk as well as the investor losses involved was very, very large. It's not visible right now in commodity markets. But of course, based on the inputs coming in, we will do our study to see what the impact is. What was the second question, Brijesh?
डब्बा मार्केट की एक्टिविटी
See,
बढ़ना।
Dabba market is a different angle altogether. I mean, there are multiple reasons why people say Dabba markets exist. Enforcement agencies, law enforcement agencies will continue to act against whatever we come across. For that matter, if you say STT hai, exchange charges hai, brokerage hai, there are plenty of these justification for doing this. All I would strongly suggest to you and the entire commentary at just highlight the fact that our ecosystem is extremely trustworthy. The market infrastructure institutions, the stock exchanges, the clearing corporations, the depositories, the broking ecosystem, it is built a very, very strong, trustworthy ecosystem. There is safety, there is management of risk. Why? And the charges are minimal. I mean, by any yardstick, by any token, the charges are minimal. And there is safety in terms of investor protection, etc. Why would you want to give all of this up and go into something which is completely untrustworthy? I think that communication has to happen separately anyway. Kamlesh spoke about investor education. I think it's just reiterating that. We have a lot of work to do on that.